Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to carve a 3D cartoon dragon inside crystal using our 3D crystal engraving machine. First, press the power button, release the emergency stop switch, and turn on the fan. Next, record the device's Wi-Fi connection address and send the 3D dragon image file to complete the design transfer. Measure the crystal's length, width, and thickness. The measured dimensions are 60 millimeters in length, 60 millimeters in width, and 60 millimeters in height. After selecting a template, set the length, width, and height of the engraved pattern inside the crystal in settings. Set the length, width, and height of the engraving content to be smaller than the crystal dimensions. Set the previously measured data 60 millimeters in medium thickness. Click Locate to adjust and confirm the engraving location. Once everything is set, click Print to start engraving. Final result, a stunning 3D cartoon dragon carved inside crystal. If you're interested in using this technology for your business or projects, contact HeatSign today for more details.